Today we are working on power 3 turns. We'll start from simple exercise for backward crossover. Going to do 2-foot glide between and pause before the push. When you push, you want to twist your upper body outside of circle, bend your knee and get your free leg in a cross leg position. Try to bend your knees and ankles first and then push. Then we're going to do the same exercise without staying on 2 feet between. So we'll just go from one foot to another with good twist and try to get deep inside edge around half circle. Next exercise will be forward outside 3 turn into backward crossover. We're going to practice on transition from backward crossover into forward outside 3 turn. We're going to do this from both legs on the figure 8. So next exercise is just for checking your shoulders after 3 turn. Bend your knees. 2-foot transition. In the power 3 turns, after the 3 turn, you have to do 2-foot transition. We want to make sure that we're going on backward and side edge around half circle. Good power push, bend your knees, ankles, and twist. Now we get into power 3 turn. Forward outside 3 turn, followed by 2-foot transition, followed by backward crossover. I'm going to do this from left leg. And then we're going to repeat this from right leg. Push, rotate your shoulders into 3 turn. Check after 3 turn, glide on backward and side edge. 2-foot transition and then backward crossovers. Try to do forward outside 3 turn on the top of the circle. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.